Hello everyone, this is Andre Foster. Doing this video today is because I was thinking hey, what kind of video can I do today? So I thought about it, and you see I'm on Best Buy's page, and I wanted to show you that what does Best Buy, Amazon, eBay, Ty Lopez, Les Brown, what do all these have in common? They all have one thing in common. And you're probably like, what is it? They all have a system. And the system basically puts their business on autopilot. And I wanted to also show you, for instance, like my mentors. Let's see, go Facebook. Here's one of my mentors right here, William. And here's another one of my mentors, Ontarian. Now, even though I'll tell you, for me personally, and they'll tell you, posting in Facebook groups is not going to make you any money. When they say copy and pasting in Facebook groups, it just don't work anymore. But because you got to think everybody is going there. So just imagine like a massive black hole, and that hole's getting smaller and smaller. So the smaller it gets, the less people can fit in there. So you're probably like, what are they doing? Let me go back over here. So basically, like I said, everybody has a system, and that system puts your business on autopilot. Now, the business that I'm in and the system that I'm using is the Conversion Pros. The Conversion Pros, let me go here. The Conversion Pros is a system right here. When you're doing a business for yourself, you're going to need tools. I don't care. You can have an affiliate link and push that link all day long. But you're going to need a capture page. You're going to need an email responder. And with our system, it has text message broadcasting, even voice message broadcaster. This is all the tools that you get with the Conversion Pros. And they also have pre-qualified leads in the back that you can purchase. This is people that are ready to sign up in whatever business you're doing, whether you're doing Avon, Herbalife, whatever business that you're promoting, MCA. Can't think of any other businesses right off the top of my head, but I'm just making a point. And also, you know how you tell people, like, first thing I'm pretty sure you want to know, well, how much does it cost? Yes, $50 a month, but you can start for free. And my question is, who can't afford free? Well, my mentor said this, and he was just like, if you can't afford free, then you're not ready for change. Simple, straight to the point. They're not asking for no credit card, no nothing. I'm just giving away this system for free that you can test drive. So if you're willing to go ahead and make a change in your life, and if you look around you, you got companies like Toys R Us going bankrupt. You got grocery stores that are going automated. And if you don't make that change today, you're going to be one of the few left behind, wondering what can you do to make money? And I'm telling you right now, everything is moving to online. I mean, if you look at Amazon, Best Buys, look at eBay. That's a strictly online business. People on there make thousands and millions a day. Amazon, multi-billion-dollar company. I mean, if it wasn't money online, nobody wouldn't be doing it. But if you can't afford free, then just pass this on up, or just click on my link below. Bing Millionaire. That's BING Millionaire. MILLIONAIRE.com. Thank you.